So
That'd be a big pain.
you take this out.
What would I start to do?
And you take this also.
Follow your nerd.
Laughing at my misery.
Follow your nerd.
What's wrong with being a nerd, huh? You know, Nerds is one of the most successful candy companies in the world.
Yeah, it can be 6.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
Candy's disgusting.
Okay, so I was gonna put it here. Pizza.
Any help with that ball?
No.
These are really long. These are very long screws.
What? Can't handle the length. Okay. I need the.
They're also in there.
Yeah, they do seem a bit long actually.
Can't handle the length.
Okay. Okay, can you go get the correct length ones from here? Can I get like 2 trips and out? I want to do it again.
Why can't you call it?
Why? I wanted the correct length screws.
Oh, you want to see the hole?
Okay.
They're not over there. I looked already.
Right?
Okay.
Oh, okay. I stand corrected. Wait, no, these are scams. Look at the ends.
Oh wait. You're right.
These are the same. Look. Wait, are they? I swear to God, they're the same. Look. No, they're not. What the?
Mhm.
After that one? Oh, you didn't.
So where is these?
We need to reinforce that something.
Yeah, just add another bar.
Or we need to add more of these,
Okay, spin it.
like on the sides.
Where are we gonna add them?